Hello everyone, greetings from the Ocean County Library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make friendship bracelets for you and your friend or someone special. For this tutorial, you will need 4 pieces of thread and tape. Make sure you cut the thread into 35 inches long. First step, you will need to grab your 4 pieces of thread and line them up, folding them in half, making the 2 ends meet. Once your thread is folded, you're going to grab the middle part and make a loop. You can loop it around your finger, bring it out, and put it through the hole. This will make an entrance to be able to tie your bracelet once it is completed. For the next step, we recommend spreading the strands out and matching up the colors so that each side is a mirror image of the other side. We also recommend to tape them down so we won't get confused in which we're working on next. As you can see here, you have a little 4 shape with your green running down. Now you're going to grab the intersection of the colors and loop it under the green thread. The following thread, actually, I should say. And tie the knot all the way up. You will do this twice, once more. And going under the green thread and up again. Now you will put the green to the side and continue to make the knots on the following colors. So here you can see that I make a 4 again and loop it under and inside and go up. Another 4, once more, go under. And now that we have finished on our left side, we're going to start with the right side. The right side is a bit different because instead of doing a regular 4, we're going to do a backwards 4 as shown. Then we're going to grab it and loop it under our second thread and pull it up. You're going to do this twice and then proceed to your following thread, which in this case would be the pink thread, and tie it up. Tape it to the side, that way when you continue to your following thread, you won't get confused. Once you have reached the same colored threads in the middle, we are going to do the procedure from the right side. So we're going to do a backwards 4 using the right side thread as shown and looping it under the left side and pulling it up. You're going to do this twice as before and pull it up once more. A very important key step about the ending in the middle is that you have to switch your right thread to the left and your left thread to the right. Once you have completed your middle step, tape them down to continue with the next, and you have completed your very first row. The following is a sped up process of forming knots and continuing from the outside in. You're going to keep forming knots from the outside strands into the center to create more rows. You'll start to see V-shaped rows of color forming. Continue forming these knots until your bracelet reaches the desired length. Once your bracelet has reached the desired length, finish it up with a knot. Thank you so much for watching.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.